All right, check these out. These are actually lamps. They're flashlights, all right? And they have two different tones. I'm going to show you guys the front and the top, all right? Now, these are great for kids to play at night, but I found something very, very unique. I actually hang this on my dogs at night when they were walking because I'm going to show you a couple of things. Right now, you got the front lamp, if you guys can see, and different tones on it, all right? Higher, and then the flashing one. And then you change this one to the one I mostly use when I'm walking the dogs. Look at that, blinking. So at night, you can see these moving around, blinking, and turn it off. So this button, it's a rubber button, very simple. They give you not one, but they give you three. So kids will have a bunch of fun with this. Not only that, like I said, use it for other things. You could even hang these on your backpack at night. Hang one or two in your backpack so cars can see you at night when you're actually on the field, right? So very simple. If you ever want to replace the batteries, there is no batteries. You charge it from the back, right? So it's type C. That's very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.